On Friday I'm getting my windshield replaced. You can see the crack. It's coming all the way up to the middle here. But I obviously don't want people to drive my car and have fun with it. So what I'm gonna do is change the tune settings, rev limiter, and I'm gonna change it from 5,000 to 2,000. And now when I rev it, doesn't matter how hard I press on the gas, it starts to cut at about 1,500. So there's no way that they can have any type of fun with the car, and there's enough power for driving it in and out of the shop. And I screen captured this program here, or me doing it on the other cell phone. So I'll superimpose that, and I just go back to my regular 5,000 RPM, and now it's good to go.